Hello everyone, this is Bernard. In this session, we are going to look at conditional formatting. What do we use conditional formatting for? Let's say you have this here, these values here in this column. You can use conditional formatting to highlight certain data points that are of interest to you. Maybe you want to see all those who are below age 35, right? You can use conditional formatting to highlight all of them. So we are going to see how different ways the different ways we actually use conditional formatting. Great. So if you want to apply conditional formatting, you select the cell. Okay, over here, we select this side. We want to know all those who have age less than 32. So you come here, you go to home, you come here, conditional formatting, you click on that, and then you go to highlight cell. Okay, so these are the various options in conditional formatting. We have highlighting the cell. You can also highlight it by top bottom rows. You can also have data bars. We'll do data bars. You have color scales, icons. You can use icons. You can set your own row. You can clear the row. You can manage rows. Okay, so some of them are not so popular, right? Let's concentrate on the ones we mostly use. For instance, the highlight cells. Okay, we want those who are less than the age of 32. So I'll click on this and I come here. Less than, we click here. We enter less than 32 right here. And then here is the format width. There's the color we've chosen. We can change it if we want. Okay, this is it. So this shows all those who have ages less than 32. Okay, how about between? Okay, same age. Let's select go to home, conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules, choose between. We want those who are between what age? They're between 20 and 30. 20 and 30 right here. You click OK. And if you want a different color, you can maybe choose yellow or something. Let's see between. Yeah, these are between ages 20 and 30. Right, we can also do less than, we can do equal to. Just come here and then whatever you want to do, you give that command. Okay, all right, another one I often use, or I see a lot of people also use in data analysis, is text that contains. Okay, maybe you want to search some email, or you remember a certain word or a certain name, and then you have thousands of rows. You can't keep scrolling through, right? You can use text that contains. How do we do that? Assuming we saw a certain city. Okay, let's say we want San Francisco. Okay, and we don't remember the San Francisco necessarily. We can just remember that it had a Cisco at the end, or it had a Fran somewhere. I mean, you can type San Francisco, you can type a few words in it, and it will still render it to you. So let's see, we highlight here, we go to conditional formatting, we go highlight cell rules right here, and we go text that contains. What does it contain? San Francisco. So let's say remember Cisco. Okay, this will remember Cisco. Click OK. We want it highlighted in this color. That's if San Francisco. All the San Franciscos that are here are going to be highlighted. Okay, great. Let's see how this one is used, we have something we call duplicate values. Okay, duplicate is very important. We want to highlight the duplicates we have, and this is going to help when we get to learn data cleaning. Okay, so how do we spot the duplicates over here and then compare with other columns to see whether, because you can have Luna Brown or James Mitchell, two people with the same name, but it might not be the same person. Sometimes it's the same person and everything is repeated, right? So we can use duplicate. Let's say we come to names, you highlight, okay, you go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cells, rules, and you come to duplicate values. Yes, we want it this color. Is it? These are the duplicates. Okay, so let's do something. You can use sorting. Okay, you can use sorting to filter out the duplicates. Okay, so how do we go about it? Let's come here. Sorry, we have to select everything. Let's select everything. Shift is yeah, and then we come sorting. All right, we are sorting name. We are sorting name, and the values. We can sort A to Z. Okay, we can also sort by the cell color. All right, and then we click OK. Let's do it Z to A. Sorry, A to Z. We didn't get it right. So you select everything, you come to sort right here. This should be the name, and then set color on top. Let's get a color here. Let's click OK, and then you get everything here, right? So you can be able to compare the duplicates, right, to see if it's the same person or not. Like I'm seeing Sophia here, she's 30 years. I'm seeing another Sophia here, she's 27. Apparently it's not the same person. Okay, so some of them, let's say someone like Charlotte Turner, you realize it's the same person. Okay, so you can come here and then you delete one of them because everything shows that this is the same person. Okay, you can delete. Who again? This is really gonna be handy when you get into data cleaning. Okay, let's just look at the last thing here. Remember this table, assuming we want over here, okay, we want to know our source of income, okay, and in a hierarchy, or we want the hierarchy here, and use conditional formatting, right, to know where you spent most in your fixed expenses. You select and then you go to conditional formatting, right, go home, conditional formatting right here, and then you go, we want to use data bars, okay, and let's say we want red, click on that, you see it, okay, so you realize that you spent more on rent and mortgage, and then followed by car payment. This is not often used, but some people also use it. Great, so you can continue to practice on a few others like this. let's see, this is a color scale. You can use color scale for your income. Okay, come here, color scale, the highest on top, you know, green, yellow, then red. You can do so much with conditional formatting. Thank you. Um, see you in the next video. We are going to look at data validation or pivot tables. Just see you. Thank you. Bye bye.